Our customers have always asked us to produce cost savings and bring them additional benefits and value. We took a look at forming the energy team because as we reviewed the cost savings that we were producing for our customers, we noticed that consistently the most significant savings we were producing were in the energy conservation area and reducing those plant operating costs. And so as a result of that, we went out and we hired a group of energy specialists, true specialists in the field, and we began with plant air systems. Plant air systems require a lot of energy, and they're traditionally bigger uses of energy in the plant, but they also represent some of the biggest losses of energy in a plant operation. From that, we've kind of moved forward to the point that as we did these surveys, our customers said that they had other needs in reducing their energy cost in the area of steam systems, electric motors, and also in lighting. So over the years, we've continued to develop our program, and as a result, we now offer assessments in all of these areas, all focused on reducing our customers' energy cost and making them more competitive in their markets and the products that they produce.
I think our customers' focus is always going to be on manufacturing their product. Because of that, it's easy for them to overlook the basics of energy reduction. Why the customer should care is that there's advancements in energy and energy savings that have occurred for primarily in the last 5 years. There's been a great advancement in energy conservation. Most customers don't understand what those energy savings opportunities are, and so we're a group of people who can help them find those opportunities.
We can help in a multitude of ways. There really isn't anything that we won't look at in our customers' plant floors. That can vary from compressed air to lighting to motors to steam systems to water efficiency, all the way to energy procurement in a deregulated state. So there are around 20 states in the United States that you can shop a utility, whether that be gas or electricity, and we can actually help our customers shop those rates so they can pay a cheaper cost per kilowatt hour or MMBTU. So really what we've crafted our team on is based on what our customers have asked of us. And right now there are 8 technologies that they tend to ask of us a lot of, but I'm sure in the next 5 years we'll be adding 8 more technologies. So it's just a matter of where they'd like to start and what can we do to get started to help them experience energy efficiency.
Our purpose is to make sure that our customers see the value added that we provide as a corporation.
Well, we conduct lighting assessments for different sizes of customers, whether it's a small office space to a larger industrial facility, and we'll conduct assessments on both not only the interior but also the exterior lighting for a customer's facility. We'll take a look at different lighting levels and not just reduce the wattage of their lights, but also improve their visibility levels and comfort levels.
We were looking at outdated lighting, so anything that is that can be more efficient. So using automated controls to turn off lights when when personnel is not present, to just simply a more high efficient bulb that is consuming less energy.
Well, when we go into a facility to conduct a lighting assessment, we don't just look at reducing the wattage for the customer and improving their efficiency, but also creating a safe environment for their employees, making sure the lighting visibility levels are to where they should be.
Well, our lighting assessments are completely turnkey, from a customer thinking that they have an opportunity for lighting to putting the lights in themselves and everything in between. So we'd start out by performing a full-blown light survey of the site, looking at current light fixtures that are in use and current light levels. We take that in and break it down to what makes most sense as to what the customer's looking for, whether that be a long-term solution or something with a quicker payback, and we'd help build our proposal based on what they're actually looking for. Now, in the process of that, because we are trade allies with a number of utility companies throughout this country, we'd work closely with the utility companies to make sure that we're helping our customers take advantage of whatever incentives are available to them. From the lighting survey to actual installed lights, we would handle the whole project from start to finish.
We'll conduct a steam assessment for any type of facility, whether it's a small building up to even a large refinery, and we'll go through and conduct an evaluation of every single steam trap where we test the heat differential across each individual trap, and we can then analyze whether it's failed open, failed close, or whether it's functioning properly, and then we can make a recommendation based on each application specific to what type of trap they should replace it with and if there's any specific dangers. We conduct a full-scale assessment on both the supply side and the demand side of a compressed air system. We'll start with the supply side, determine how the compressors are pulling power. We'll measure the power, the flow, and the pressure from the compressor room. We'll evaluate their filtration and their dryers by conducting air quality tests, dew point tests. We'll evaluate their storage, as well as any pressure drop across the system. We'll also move out to the demand side of the plant and do a full-scale leak detection of the entire facility, followed by point of use evaluation for any inappropriate uses of air at the machine level. We then put it into a full comprehensive report, present the findings to our customers, and give them kind of a pathway to go in types of what projects they should be conducting moving forward to improve their energy efficiency. We have enough resources and partnerships that Motion has created that any type of technology that is out there that a customer really wants to evaluate, we have the means to do so, whether it's HVAC, water treatment, or even something as simple as measuring the power to the building to determine if a customer has clean power or what they'll call dirty power. And these relationships really help give the customer exactly what they're looking for when it might be outside the box.
The examples of the energy services team working with me, would be the benefits of just looking outside of the box, not necessarily looking at per piece pricing, but to look at what actually can we do to help them reduce their spend significantly more. And some examples of that would be an energy services team's steam trap audit, which helped me with a chemical company in Northeast Ohio establish a huge cost savings for that company by, again, thinking outside of the box, offering them a product that they weren't used to, and then proving how we could save them that money by moving to this new technology.
Motion Industries in Albany, Georgia had a food plant in our area that expressed interest in having the Energy Services Group do a survey at their facility. The Energy Group came to the customer site and completed an audit on the customer's pneumatic, lighting, and air handling systems. They provided a detailed plan tailored to the customer's goals that identified areas of potential energy savings. The survey included identification of the losses through compressed air leaks, inefficient practices, and the advantages of upgrading outdated equipment. The audit identified over $17,000 in immediate savings and listed $90,000 plus in savings through projects that had a 2 to 3 year payback.
So the purpose of the Motion Industries Energy Services team is threefold. First and foremost would be to identify cost savings at our customers' accounts. Secondly would be to help make Motion Industries an invaluable technical resource, a way that we can distinguish ourselves against our competitions and some of the things that we're doing that they're not. And third would be assisting in the enhancement of our customers' manufacturing environment and through making their processes leaner. And if you have an account that you're struggling with year to date or have been for years, we'd like you to pick up the phone and call us. We want to help you. We want to help our customers, because really what our customers are looking for in a cost savings program is not the rebate check at the end of the year. What they're looking for is actual cost savings figures that help them become better manufacturers. We're one of the tools that you can use at your customers to help realize those cost savings and help them become better manufacturers. So all I'm asking is that if you have an inkling that your customer is looking to improve their manufacturing in any one sort of way, please don't hesitate to call us.
Motion Energy Services team has brought advantages to me in that they're reliable, experienced, professional, and they help our customers save money in almost everything that they do.